Good job, Royal Mail. Brilliant job. Well done. Well done. Hello everybody, I am of course the Invertabarian. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and of course remember to ding that bell to be notified of the latest videos that have been released. Now let's just crack on. So some of you may know I sent these guys, their Evil Dead figures, to this man. And in return he was determined he was going to give me something back for sending him these figurines. I wasn't wanting anything, told him no, but long story short, we agreed to a game of hot and cold. If he could whittle down my address, he could send me something, and if not, then that was the end of that, and we would let the subject drop. So, needless to say, he did actually manage to work out my address through a very, very long game of hot and cold, right down to the exact house number. Yeah, don't ask. So, this was purchased from our very good friends at So Many Legs. Of course, do check out the website, they're absolutely amazing. The box was packaged up by a good friend of ours, the Lord of Grape. You know who you are, Mr. Grapey Pants. And this was sent out on the Thursday, due to be delivered on the Friday. The Friday came and went, and the package had been sent from its original point up to my local depot, and then from there it had been sent to Warrington, which is not anywhere near me. Mr. Grapey Pants then phoned and he was told that the error had been realised and had been sent back to my local area. However, according to the tracking system, this package then sat in Warrington for quite some time, to the point that every single one of us had given up all hope on ever seeing this box again. Then 6 days after, so it was in the post from Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. On Wednesday, lo and behold, a box arrived at my house. The question is, did they survive that long in the Royal Mail? So the first big huge thank you, of course, has to come to Steve. You will find him on the Tarantula-tastic Enclosure YouTube page. That's his little logo-y thing there. And, of course, the Exotic Pet Enclosure Design Group over on Facebook. That's this group here. And, of course, a huge thank you to the So Many Legs team and to Mick Grapey, who sent the box to me in the first place. When the box was open, the unbox, it is rough as Hecky McThump, because it was just a case of get in and check and see what state they were in. So here's the unboxing, and yeah. And I hope you appreciate the intro. So that's it. What could have potentially been relatively disastrous has turned out to be absolutely amazing. Again, a huge thank you to Steve and the team at So Many Legs. It's been one hell of an epic journey, and yeah, I absolutely love the gifts, and I can't thank you enough, Steve. It's more than, as I say, I didn't even want anything for them, but thank you, and hopefully we'll get some really nice feeding footage, some informative videos done on the Linotella Phalanx, and over time as they web up those enclosures, I think they're going to look absolutely amazing, so I'll keep you posted on them. Anyway, that is it for me. Thank you ever so much for watching. As I say, please do comment, subscribe and like the videos. Be good, be kind, take care of yourselves, and goodbye for now. Bye bye.